In order translate into another language, go to Google and type edugames.uz. Then right click mouse and select translate to English. In this, choose the language you need. Choose another language: Arabic, Armenian, Afrikaans, Bulgarian, Hispanian, Czech, Danish. Okay, Arabic translate. Choose another language: A, B, C, D, E. English. Translate. Okay. Translate to English. Okay. You can also add your questions there. If you have any questions, write to us in direct or WhatsApp. Thank you.